Heidi ho, how you all doing? Good, I hope. Something a bit different for you. Excuse me. Today I'm going to make a couple of cowboy hat earrings. These are 1 cent American coins. So first of all, let's give them a bit of a... This is quad zero steel wool. Doesn't really scratch them, it just brightens them up a bit. This is something for the ladies in your life. Another beautiful day here in Helsinki. It's minus about -2 degrees C. I got this little jig from an old boy in America. I prefer them to the plastic ones. I mean, you know, it's going to last. It's made of metal. Right. So, we'll go. With the 1 cent. This goes on top of this. Eventually, wrong way round. Stupid boy. Now go over to Big Red. And we'll crush it down a bit. There you go. That's the first part. I'll do the same with this one. Get them both equal so they sort of match. Alright, back over to Big Red. So if you've got a loved one at home, you're looking for some earrings, totally original. Right, now this little ball bearing in here, it's magnetic, but if you turn it round, there you go. Yeah. So you level it up a bit. You put the hat back in again. Now, you put this little gadget in, and it puts the crease in the hat. Back over to Big Red. It's exciting, isn't it? And then this puts the crease in the hat. There you go. Oh, cowboy hat. I'll do the same with this one. If you're new to the channel, or you've just subscribed, thank you very much. If you'd like to hit the subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. There you go. One cowboy hat. You can use these for key rings, or I like to make them out of earrings. I like to use the quarters for the key rings because they're a bit bigger. So now we have to punch a hole in it, and I've got this little gadget here. Get it level. I think we're there. Oh la la. That's a bit off centre, but you get the idea. I'm quite clumsy, these things. Or is it me? It's probably me. Yeah, that one's a bit off centre. This one's good. Well, let's make another one. I've got plenty of coins. Right, let's do another one. Like I say, if you're going to do it right. Better put it, I don't want that one. That's it, there it is. If you'd like to hit the subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. Just turn this round again. I've got another ball bearing somewhere, but I can't find it at the moment. I'm still feeling pretty sad, so I haven't done a lot recently. Right, back over to Big Red. Turn this little ball bearing round again so we get that little cut in it. This is magnetic as well, the base of this, so it's exciting, isn't it? Right, let's try again. Back to Big Red. I'll put the crease in there. There you go. One cowboy hat. Right, let's try and punch this again. It's bloody awkward, this thing. You've got to open it up so wide to get the coin in. I don't think. Are we there? Maybe a bit more in. That doesn't look too bad. That's better. See that one? Off centre big time. So I have some silver earrings. If you'd like to hit the subscribe button, would be great. The like button. There you go. A pair of dangle earrings made out of the old 1 cent. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow with a bit of luck. So bye bye.